Hello viewers, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to delete a column, how to delete a row, how to uh, drop duplicate values, how to delete multiple rows, how to delete multiple columns. So let's begin. Import numpy as NP, import pandas as PD. Now I will be reading a CSV file. So df equal to read pd dot read csv forest file. I will be giving the link of this data file in the description. CSV. So I have the data frame out there. Read it from this CSV file. Now let's print this out. df.head. So I will be seeing first for this. So you can see this is the first 4 rows out there of the data set. Now I want to drop a particular column. Let's say I want to drop y from here. So df dot drop right out there and write the name of the column. So I am writing the name of the column. Then write exists equal to 1. So this is exists 1 means I will be deleting the column, and exists 0 I will be deleting the row. Okay, now assign this to df. Now let's see, and you can see in this data set I have no y. Okay, so let's say I want to drop multiple rows out there, so I will be dropping more than one row. Let's say I will be dropping also day out there. So day out there, make a array of columns. So now print this out, and you can see there is no day out there. Okay, day column out there. So this is how we can drop any column. There is another technique, so I'll be showing you these two. So df equal to df dot drop. Let's say you don't know the column names, so what can I do? dp sorry df dot columns out there. Now I want to drop the first column. Okay, so first column colum. So I will be dropping this column out there. So write the exists out there, exists of 1. Now run the code and comment this out. Now you can see the first column, the column 0 was x. Okay, if I print df out there, so print df dot head, let's say 3, and you can see in this printout I have x, but in this printout I do not have x. So this is how you can drop the columns. You can also drop more than one column. So right, let's say I want to drop 0 1 2 1 2. So these are the columns I want to drop. So now run the code, and this is how we can drop. So you can see I have no x out there, no x, no y column out there, no month column out there. Okay, so now I am done with the columns. Let's come to the rows. So cut this. Now I want to delete a particular uh, row. So write out there df dot drop, give out there index. So now I want to drop a row out there. So let's say I want to drop the first row. So write 0 out there and give out there exists. You can also, if this is optional of giving exists. Okay, now run the code and you can see there is no zeroth row out there. Okay, and let's say I want to drop more than one index, so 0, 1 and 2. Okay, now run the code and you can see I do not have the first three rows out there. You can also do this by giving index out there, so write df dot index, then give out there uh, 0, give out there 5, 4. Okay, now check this one and you can see give 2 and you can see I have 0, 1 and there is no 2. So this is how we can eliminate any row of a data frame. Now I'll be showing you how to delete the duplicate values. Okay, so let's start. So write drop duplicates equal to df. So if you see the info out there, print df dot info. Okay, and if you see the info out there after the dropping of duplicates, and you can see the difference. Okay, so there are how many rows out there? 500, 117. So and after that, after dropping the duplicates, you have uh, 513 rows. So this is how you can uh, duplicate, you can drop the duplicates. Now I want to drop the rows according to particular column. So let's say I want to have the values for particular dates only. So not for more than one Friday, not for more than one Tuesday. So this is how you can so this is what I do want. So let's go for that. Let's go. Let's say subset. Give the, okay, I have to check the column out there. So right there, columns COLONS from. Okay, I have month out there, day out there. So I will be giving the subsets on the basis of day. Okay, on the basis of day, I will be having the duplicates. Okay, so 8 first 5, and you can see if I check the day out there, then I will be have only one Friday, only one Tuesday, only one Saturday, only one Sunday, and only one Monday. So if I print the whole DF now, I will be having 7 rows, I think. Oh, complete the bracket out there. Yeah, I will be having 7 rows. So this is how. So see, Friday, Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday. So you can apply more than one condition too. So let's say I want to also find the duplicates of month. Okay, now run the code. So this is how you can drop the duplicates, and you can also, so if when you drop the duplicates, the by default it takes the first duplicate value. Okay, so you can also keep the last value over there. So right there last, then it will keep the last value, and if you want to see the first, then you will have the first bit over there. So this is how the duplicate you can drop the duplicates, and that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.